my baby doll are in that room. God forbid. I know what I would want, but I would try to get inside her head and make the choice that she wants. Let go of me.
Where are you going? You can't just drop a tease like that. Walk away.
Watch me.
What do you know? What do you know, babe? Are you just gaming me again?
I know that you loved me when you married me on Little Day's birthday. When you drew my picture in France. I know that you made a wish that our love would never die. Keeping the love alive is the hard part, right? You take a hit, you go down, you don't know which way's up, and then the doubt creeps in. Forever doesn't have a chance unless you fight for it.